guys, it's Danica and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing some viral TikTok recipes. If you're like me, you're probably spending way too much time on your phone scrolling through TikTok, and in between the cat videos and the funny videos, you've probably seen these recipes. So today I'm going to try making some pancake cereals that everybody's been trying. I'm also going to be making the whipped coffee, but a healthier version. I'm going to try the Oreo mug cake that looks so good. I'm also going to be testing to see if grapes can really taste like Sour Patch Kids. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the recipes. So the first recipe that I want to do is a pancake cereal, and if you ask me, pancake is delicious, so I'm sure that a tiny version of it is going to be amazing. So I'm going to show you the TikTok and then we're going to go ahead and do the recipe. Okay, so the recipe that I'm using is pretty easy. I'm just going to be using this mix by Aunt Jemima. It's just a mix that you need to add your milk and your egg. But I'm not going to be using eggs, of course, because I'm vegan. So I'm just going to be using half a banana. I'm just going to mash my banana. Then I need a cup of this pancake mix. And then just a cup of non-dairy milk. I'm gonna use some oat milk. Alright, so the batter is done, and now we're gonna do tiny pancakes. Alright, so the pancake cereal is done and it looks pretty good and it smells amazing in here. I wish you guys could smell it. I'm pretty excited to try it. I'm gonna try it with maple syrup first, and then I'm gonna add some milk as well, just to see the difference, because I feel like with milk it's gonna be soggy. So I want to try it just with maple syrup first and then we'll see. It was pretty easy to do, it's just flipping them that takes a long time. So let's try it with the maple syrup. Tastes really good. Tastes like pancake, you know. And now I'm gonna try it with some milk. I'm using some oat milk. Just have a feeling that it's gonna be soggy, but let's try it anyway. There's a reason it's called pancake cereal. I mean, kinda have to try it with milk. It's good, but it's a bit soggy. I like it better with just the maple syrup. It's still good. The next recipe that I'm gonna do is whipped coffee, but I'm not gonna do the recipe that you're used to. I saw this TikTok not too long ago of a person substituting the sugar for some maple syrup. And I thought, as a true maple syrup lover and as a Canadian, I really needed to try that. Also, I do appreciate the fact that it is a healthier version. So we're gonna try it and see if it works. So I'm just gonna be adding a tablespoon of each. So I'm adding a tablespoon of instant coffee, then a tablespoon of maple syrup, and a tablespoon of boiling water. And I'm gonna whip it by hand since I don't have an electric mixer. Starting to change color, so that's good. I'm just hoping that the maple syrup will make it as fluffy. So it's starting to get fluffy. Just gonna keep on whipping. So I think that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty fluffy. I think I did pretty good considering I whipped it by hand. So I just grabbed a cup and added some ice, and I'm just gonna add some milk. And the maple whipped coffee. It's actually pretty fluffy. I'm impressed. So here's the final product. It looks pretty good and I'm really excited to try it. Since it's made with maple syrup, it has no added sugar, so that's pretty amazing. I'm gonna give it a good stir. Okay. Wow. Wow. I really wish you guys could taste this. If you like whipped coffee, I'm pretty sure you'll like this one. You need to try it. Tastes sweeter somehow. If you have the ingredients at home, make it. It is really, really good. I recommend it. Woo! I'm gonna save the rest for later because I'm gonna be too hyper if I have so much caffeine. So the next recipe seems pretty easy to do. You only need 2 ingredients, which are crushed up Oreos and milk. We're gonna be making an Oreo mug cake. Sounds a little bit too good to be true, but let's see. So this one is really, really simple. I'm just adding some Oreos to a cup. I'm gonna use 3 Oreos. And if you didn't know, Oreos are vegan. So now you know. I'm gonna add some milk, just enough to cover them. And then mash away. I think that's pretty good. Now I'm just gonna add it to the microwave for a minute and see what it does. So here is what the mug cake looks like. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's Oreos, so I'm sure it's gonna be good. It was a bit too hot, so I just let it cool for about 5 minutes. Let's try it. Oh, it's a bit mushy. It's a bit mushy. Maybe I added too much milk. I don't know. It's like still liquidy. You guys see that? Like the texture? Don't know if I did something wrong. Tell me if I did something wrong in the comments if you tried it. Maybe I added too much milk. I don't know. It's weird consistency. Don't like it. Don't like it. Ugh. The next recipe is interesting, to say the least. Apparently, if you cut some green grapes and add some lime juice on them, it's supposed to taste like Sour Patch Kids. I'm a bit skeptic, but we'll see. So I have my grapes all cut and I'm just gonna add some lime juice. Doesn't say how much to add, but I'm guessing a fair amount. All right, let's try them. It's good. I wouldn't say it tastes like Sour Patch Kids, but I mean, I get why they say that. No. Okay, I got one. I think you really need to add the lime juice to the actual, like, let me show you. Like this part of the grape where it's cut, it needs to have some lime juice on that part. Yes, that way it tastes like Sour Patch Kids. Oh my god. It's amazing. I feel like this is groundbreaking. Like it tastes like candy, but it's It's grapes. It's amazing. Wow. Okay, that's like the easiest snack that you can make. So if you have the ingredients, you need to make it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future upload. I upload a new video every Monday. Also, I really want to thank you guys for 500 subscribers. It means so much to me that you're hitting that subscribe button and following me throughout this journey. It's been amazing and I'm happy to have your support. So I really hope you guys are well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!